The Honor 9X is an incredible device for the price, featuring a gorgeous 6.6-inch edge-to-edge display, a triple camera on the back, a pop-up selfie camera, and a Kirin 920 processor, which is incredibly fast. The only real drawback here is that the Honor 9X does not have the Google Play Store pre-installed due to trade restrictions with the US. But fortunately, there is a workaround, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today in this video to get the Google Play Store installed on this phone in about 10 minutes. But before we get started, make sure you check the video description below and click the link there for the step-by-step instructional document that goes along with this video. Let's get started. Once you click through to the page here and scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that it says you need a micro SD card for this process. You want to make sure you have a micro SD card installed on the top of the device. We're going to be using that to create a backup and restore later on in the process. So once you have that set, you can click on this first link at the very top. This RAR file contains all of the applications and other files that we're going to need in order to get the Google Play Store installed. It's located on Google Drive, so simply click through the various links to begin the download process. And then once that's done, click back a couple times to go back to the instructional page. Second thing we're going to need to download is a RAR application. This is going to be used to extract the file that we just downloaded. Since we do not have access to the Google Play Store, of course, we need to download this from APK Mirror. So once you click on the link and scroll down, click on Download APK to start the download process. Once this is downloaded, we'll pull down the notification shade. You'll see the application right there. We'll tap on the file, click Open, and this will start the installation process. It's going to do a security check to make sure there's nothing wrong, and then we click on Install. Once this is done, we'll tap Open, and then we're going to navigate to the folder where we downloaded the original file. That's going to be in Download, and then you'll see the RAR file right there. So we're going to hit the checkbox right next to it, and then hit the Extract File button right up top, and then hit OK at the bottom. And this will extract it to that same folder within Downloads. Once that's done, we're going to go back to the home screen and then click on the Tools folder, and inside of that, click on the Files application, and then navigate to Internal Storage, Downloads, and then you'll see the folder that we extracted right there. We click on it, and there's a secondary nested folder. Click on that again, and then Huawei Mate 30. From here, we're going to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and we're going to see an application here that we're going to install with a G icon. So we'll click on that. It's going to do another check and then install. Once that's done, we just click Done. And then the second step of the process begins. We're going to do a backup of that application. So we're going to go into Settings, scroll to the bottom, System, Backup and Restore. And then this is where we're going to click External Storage. So this is where the micro SD card comes into play, memory card, and then click Backup. From here, you're going to see that some items are going to be selected. We don't need any of these, so we're going to select all and then select all again. It will uncheck everything. And then we scroll down and select Apps. And from here, we'll go to the very bottom and we'll see our application that we just installed right there close to the very bottom. We'll check both of those checkboxes for apps and data, and then tap OK. And then hit OK one more time, and then tap Back Up. And this will create a backup of that application and the data that goes along with it. And then once it's done, we hit Done right there at the bottom. And you'll see here, this is the backup that we just created. From here, we're going to want to go back to the home screen and then open up Tools and Files one more time. And we're going to copy some of these files over. So we need to select this one here, info.xml, and then this one right below it, comms.lzplay.helper.tar. We'll select that one as well, and then hit Copy. And then from here, we're going to go out and go to Memory Card, Huawei, Backup, Honor 9X Pro, and then Backup File 1, and then you'll see today's backup that we just created And these are the two files that we're actually going to be replacing, info.xml and the other one right there. So we're going to hit paste and then replace for both of those. And then we can close this out and then jump back into settings again. We're going to go into settings, system, backup and restore. And then we are going to restore this backup with those replaced files in it. And then hit restore. It's going to ask us for a password. The password here is going to be A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then hit OK. And it will have restored all of those that one application with the associated data. And then from here we click done and then go back to the home screen. And this is the application that we just restored. So we need to open this up, make sure your internet connection is turned on. It's going to ask us to activate, so we're going to click activate, allow, and then we're going to hit this blue button here, and then the blue button again on the right hand side. And this is going to do a background check to verify different services are in place, and we can actually now force close that application and then go back to the home screen. At this point we are in the home stretch, so we're going to go over and open up tools and then files again, and then go back one folder, kick me back out, go back to downloads and open up those folders that we opened before, and then click on EMUI 9.1.1 Google Pack. And inside this folder there are going to be 6 different applications that we need to install one by one. These are the applications that we need in order to get the Google Play services and the Play Store up and running. So we're going to run through each and every one of these, get these installed, and then we should almost be done. Once you've installed all 6 of the applications, you'll be able to go back to the home screen and see that the Google Play Store is now installed on the device. Once you open this for the first time, it will ask you for your login credentials, but then you'll have access to all the Google Play Store applications that you have on any other Android device. With the Google Play Store installed on the Honor 9X Pro now, you can do pretty much anything that you want. You can install other Google applications, Instagram, Facebook, or any of the other applications that were not available through the Huawei application store that comes pre-installed on this phone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about the installation process, make sure you drop those in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.